Yo, what's up my people? It's your boy Kev again here, and today I'm in a Toyota Wish from 2013. And siendeshi by the way, I'm being towed away. Navurutwa, niyo gari iko mbele. So the reason for towing ni nilipoteza my engine, so I'll make sure nimeipata. Sawa. I'll make sure nimei repair, so I'm taking it to repair sahi, and I hope I'll show you guys once it's done. Ilichoma gasket, and that is not a good thing by the way. So once it's done, I'll show you. It's quite hard to be towed at this speeds, bwana. It's so heart-wrenching, but there's always a first experience, and I love this one. It's not my first time being towed, but it's my first time being towed in a Wish. Woo. I hope this is a beautiful experience, bwana. You should try it. You're not doing anything. Actually, just to show you that I'm all off. Angalia dash. Nothing there. Gari ko off, sumona. And I'm cruising on neutral. So once it's done, I'll show you guys how it was done. So guys, the car is being diagnosed right now.
Wendo. Usiwezi ile gari.
Hao wanasema ati wanarudi kesho. Tufunge tu ile zile. Tutarudi kesho. Cylinder misfire, number 2 detected, massive flow circuit current. So those are the codes we are facing right now. Number 2 hakuna.
Haiko hata ukibadilisha hivi bado ni number 2.
Hata kombi imesema hivyo. Injector imeenda.
Ndio like troubleshoot. Reload. Hata tumeplan. Jadi ini kan itu, mereka tuh gimana?